Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the warranty status of your Surface 8th generation laptop. To do that, we're gonna need to install the free application from Microsoft, which is dedicated for this laptop, but is not pre-installed, at least not on my model, and it's called Surface Repair Tool. And we can download it from the Microsoft Store, so go straight into it and search for Surface Repair. Tool, okay. Here we have it. Get it on this page, then open it. Click yes. Let's open the app, and here in the warranty tile we can find the information about the warranty start and the ending dates. So as you can see, this laptop is on warranty until June 29, 2028. You can also learn more about your warranty by following this link and check terms and conditions of your warranty. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.